Hi, my name's Sarah. I'm Australian and today I'm going to be doing quite a few subscription boxes. Probably not all in the one video because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have absolutely no clue which one this one is. So I'm just gonna open it and see how we go. Oh my God, this is so hard. Oh! Okay, so this is a subscription I've been getting for a really long time, and I might as well actually have a chat about it. I have so much of this stuff and I really need to get onto it. So, okay, this is a subscription, but this is like a crafty subscription. To be quite honest, I had breast cancer last year and I thought, oh, this would be fun, like, you know, keep me occupied, keep my mind going and things like that. So it's actually called Knit and Stitch, and what happens is you actually get, as you can see, I'm like, that's number 20, 21, 23, where's 22? Oh, 22 and 23, wow. As you can see, I have quite a few of these. So what happens is every 2 weeks they're supposed to send you the magazine and 2 balls of wool. They obviously sent me quite a few because I don't really get it every fortnight. I think it comes over from the UK, or it might be now coming. There was quite a few things that had happened. The original company that was I was getting it off actually went into liquidation or administration or something, I'm not really sure. And then someone in the UK took over the subscription, and I didn't get it for ages and I completely forgot about it. And then all of a sudden I started getting all these packages with all these like balls of wool. And the idea of this is really cool. It actually teaches you a different stitch, no, 2 different stitches, sorry, with every single magazine. And you make a square. Like, so this is issue 20, that's the square you're gonna make, and at the end of it, that's the blanket you make. So look at all the different stitches that you make. Like you learn crochet, and you know, it shows you on the back. There's also a YouTube videos that you can watch if you don't quite understand, because it can be quite hard to follow a pattern if you don't really know what you're doing. And it just shows you, sorry, is that coming up? It just shows you like how to do it, how to cast on, like absolutely everything. But then you've got all these other really cool things in the magazine as well, which is, you know, how to make all these other really cool things. Like, so in this issue, you can make that, you learn how to make this. You know, it is so cool. Like, I absolutely fell in love with this idea. And I just think that the blanket is just so unique and just so cool. I love the colours, I love the texture, I love everything about it. Like, this is another one. Like, again, there's the blanket, you know, there's different things that you can make. Beautiful scarf. Like, it is winter over here in Australia. Oh, like, look at that. That's just stunning. I absolutely love it. You know, it tells you the wools that you get in the next issue. Like, check this out. Like, this is like wool heaven, and they are really good quality. Like, really good quality. Photo up. Really good quality. I'm actually going, now that I've opened this, I'm actually going to go and grab the whole thing so you can have a look, because if you're actually interested in this, it is a really cool subscription. Okay, so I'm back. So I've just gone and quickly grabbed what you actually get as well. Like, if you subscribe and get the issue sent to you every fortnight, you get like little free gifts, which I think are really cool. So oops, there goes my knife to open. Hold open. So I actually got this, which is the big folder where you just separate absolutely everything. And I've got heaps of different issues in the front. So let me just, it's been a while, not a while, but it's been a minute since I got it out and put it all together. But as you can see, all the different tabs. So in the magazine, it separates really easy into all these different tabs. and you end up with this like awesome folder with just so much. And I also got sent out this case which opens up and you can put everything they send you, because they also send you knitting needles and they also send you crochet hooks and things. Like, how pretty is that? And this is not like bad quality. Like this, like, it's really good quality. These are not just cheap plasticky. Like, these are what you'd find in any craft place, knitting shop, you know, that sells wool, Lynn Crafts, Spotlight, all those kind of places. And they also sent me out this bag. Like, how nice is this? So if you're going like I do, I catch up with friends, got a little bit of wool sticking out there. Oh my God, you should see how much wool I've got in here. Unfortunately, I've got a little bit of wool stuck there. Like, check out that haul. Like, seriously, I can't even fit the amount of wool. I'm so behind on this like subscription. I should have really kept up to it, but I was quite sick, and you know, everything's such a really good idea when you first sign up to it, and then everything comes and you're like overwhelmed. It's like, holy crap, I really got to find the time to do that. But I absolutely love it. So happy surprise. I wasn't really prepared to talk about this subscription, but it is really, really cool. I will leave details to this subscription down below, because if you really love crafts or you just want some time out, like, you know, like me, I'm a mum, you know, everyone needs time to themselves, and you get something at the end of it. That blanket is beautiful, and off the top of my head I can't remember how much I'm paying for it a fortnight, but I don't think it's much, to be quite honest. Like, to be getting the wool sent out, the stitch sent out, the knitting needles or the crochet hooks to be sent out, all that information, like what to make, how to make it, you know, YouTube links, every single thing you could possibly need. And, you know, you're learning so much. So you could make so many different things. And I don't know, I just loved it. Like, I loved the idea of it. Like, how many subscriptions can you get where at the end of it you've actually got something that you've made? Like, I don't know, I just thought it was so cool. And you know, it's winter here at the moment and I really should get my butt into gear and start knitting. So I will actually do that. Like, I have made a couple of squares, and I think what I'll do is I will post updates and see how I'm going, because I know basics when it comes to knitting, crocheting, very basics, and I think I should update and see how I go with it and show you how I go. And you know, hopefully you like it, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see how I go. There are other crafty things that I love to do, so I might post them on this channel as well. Like, you know, it's going to be a bit of a whatever I feel like kind of channel, you know, whatever I'm in the mood for. So yeah, knit and stitch creative, like, this is so cool. I urge you to check it out. Absolutely love it. I'm having a really hard time getting this open. Damn it, I just want to get into it. Oh my God, you're kidding me. Like, here I am thinking I'm getting all this stuff from America, and what have I got? More wool. Oh my God. Okay, so I was literally just talking about this, and I just opened another package with all this wool in it. I was just saying I'm so bloody behind with this, and now I've got more. Holy crap. I really, really need to get my butt into gear. I'm going to keep this box because I'm going to put wool in it. I really need to get my butt into gear. Look at that. I'm up to issue 34. 34. You get 2 squares with every issue. Oh my God. That's 68 squares. Like, this blanket's going to be almost done. Like, when does it stop, actually? Actually, that's a really good question. I don't know when the last issue is. So yay, I got more. Like, I really have to get my butt into gear. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that pillow. Look at that pillow. Like, I'll make that. That's gorgeous. And the best part is, like, if I was to see that in a magazine, I'd have no clue how to make that. I'd be like, oh, it's so pretty. I wish I could make something like that. Well, I can, because there'll be a YouTube link to this, and they will tell me how to make it. So not only am I learning how to make the oh wow, not only am I learning how to make this blanket with all, like, I'm learning these different stitches that I can apply to so many different things. Pillows, jumpers, just blankets, little dresses. Oh my God, how cute is that? Seriously, that is so pretty. Oh, and the pillow. Oh my God, that is just adorable. Oh, I love it. So look, yay, more wool. I love these pretty purples. This is really, really good quality. So the actual company is Creacrafts, and the wool is so soft. I don't think there's been like a really scratchy wool. This is pretty. Like, look at that. Seriously, you know this blanket is going to be gorgeous when you've got wool like this and colors like these. It's so going to go with my house. I'm building a new house, which is going to start really soon. And I like grey and white and black and blue and, you know, kind of a Hamptons beachy kind of vibe, and which is what this house is that I'm in now, and I love it. And this blanket is so up my alley. Yeah, like I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm definitely going to be doing some updates on this. I think I will actually start making the squares, and I'll start showing them, you know, how I'm going and things like that. So I might start recording that, because that's something I'd want to see, you know, if I was going to invest, because, you know, by the end of it, yeah, it comes out every fortnight, your payments. Again, off the top of my head, I can't remember how much they are, but at the end of it, you do have a blanket, but it's a pretty expensive blanket. I think I worked out that it's $1,080 or something at the end. I mean, you don't see it, like, it's not something you pay up front. It comes out fortnightly, but look, at the end of it, you've got not only a beautiful blanket, but you've got skills. So gotta love that, don't you? So okay, so I've still got 1, 2, 3 boxes to unbox. I'll be surprised. Hopefully I might have something different, or I might have the same thing. Who knows? So this is a nice quick video. Excited. Definitely going to do some more videos on that. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you want to see more videos on that. You know, comment below if you want to ask me any questions about that, about the subscription, how long I've been getting it for, quality of the wool, anything you want to know, you want to see some issues, you want to see anything. Hit the subscribe button if you want to be notified of any of my upcoming videos. I would really, really love that. You know, I just want to, you know, share the love and I don't know, just do some videos and hopefully entertain some people and entertain myself in the meantime, and just share. Hopefully you like it. Give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe.